Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and thank you so much for your continued support. So today I want us to look at a concept in calculus which we call the product rule. So this is one of the techniques for finding derivatives of functions, and in particular the functions that are products of two functions. So we first of all state this rule and then we'll use it in an example to illustrate how to use it. So the product rule says that if you have a function y which is equals to, it's a function, it's a product of two functions, u of x and v of x, like that. If you want to get the derivative of such a function, which we call y prime, the first derivative, then it's given as u prime of x times v plus v prime of x times u. Let's see this one in an example. You have given that y is equals to x cos x. Find y prime. Okay, so in this case we are going to name one of our function as u and the other one as v. So in this case we let u be x, the first part, the first function, and then we let v be the other function which we called cos x. Okay, so this is a product of two functions. The first function here is algebraic function x. On the other hand, cos x is a trigonometric function. So then we also require to find u prime, and also we'd also be required to find v prime. So if you find the u prime, in this case, it's 1, and v prime in this case will be minus sine of x. Now we'll come and insert this information in the formula, and we'll have y prime be equals to u prime, which is 1 times v, and our v in this case is cos x, plus v prime, and our v prime is minus sine of x times u, and our u is simply x. So then from there we have to simplify that, and if you simplify there we get cos x for the first part minus x sine of x, and that becomes the derivative of that function. Thank you so much for watching, and continue watching for more videos. Thank you.